Budgeting might seem like a daunting task, but it's actually a powerful tool. It's all about understanding where your money goes and planning how to use it best. Think of it as a roadmap for your finances. With a clear map, you're less likely to get lost. Everyone, no matter their income level, can benefit from a budget. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. Budgeting isn't just about restricting what you spend money on. It's about making intentional choices with your money. This can lead to greater financial freedom and security. A well-planned budget helps you prepare for emergencies, achieve personal goals, and avoid debt. It's a fundamental skill that everyone should master. Learning to budget can help you feel more in control of your finances and your life. It reduces stress and gives you a sense of accomplishment. With a few straightforward strategies, you can start to see where your money goes and make informed decisions to change your financial future. Let's dive into how you can master your money with some basic budgeting techniques. Understanding the importance of budgeting is crucial. When you budget, you take the first step toward financial independence. You are essentially saying, "I control my money. It does not control me." This mindset shift is powerful and can change how you handle your finances forever. Budgeting allows you to create a spending plan for your money, ensuring that you will always have enough for the things you need and the things that are important to you. Without a budget, it's easy to spend mindlessly and lose track of where your money goes. This can lead to stress, debt, and financial insecurity. On the other hand, a budget helps prevent these issues by giving you a clear overview of your financial state. It helps you make decisions based on your financial priorities and goals, rather than impulsive spending habits. The benefits of budgeting extend beyond just monetary gains. It also helps in cultivating discipline and prioritizing your life goals. For instance, if you dream of buying a home or starting a business, a budget can help you set aside money to achieve these dreams. It's about empowering yourself to make your dreams a reality through thoughtful financial planning. Understanding your income. The first step in creating a budget is to understand your total income. This includes not only your salary, but any additional sources of income like bonuses, freelance work, or investments. Knowing exactly how much money you have coming in each month is critical to setting up a budget that works. It's the foundation upon which all other budgeting decisions will be made. When calculating your income, be thorough. Include everything that adds to your cash flow. This might seem obvious, but many people overlook occasional incomes that can make a significant difference. For example, if you sell items online or have a side job, include these earnings. Every dollar counts when you are planning your finances. Once you have a clear understanding of your income, you can begin to distribute it across your needs, wants, and savings. This distribution will form the core of your budget. Remember, if you overestimate your income, you might spend money you don't have. Underestimating, however, can lead you to unnecessarily restrict your spending. Accuracy is key. Tracking your spending. Before you can budget effectively, you need to know where your money currently goes. Start by tracking your spending for a month. Write down everything you spend money on, no matter how small it seems. This includes bills, food, transportation, entertainment, and even that occasional coffee. The goal here is to have a complete picture of your spending habits. Many people find surprises when they actually track their spending. You might discover that you're spending more on dining out than you realized, or that your morning coffee adds up over the month. These insights are invaluable. They show you where you can make adjustments so you can manage your money better. Use tools to help you track your spending. There are numerous apps and software designed for budgeting that can automate this process. They categorize your expenses and can show you at a glance where your money goes each month. This technology can be a great aid in maintaining your budget. Now that you understand your income and spending habits, it's time to set up your budget. Begin by listing your fixed expenses. These are bills that don't change much from month to month, like rent or mortgage, utilities, and car payments. Knowing these costs is crucial because they are non-negotiable. They have to be paid. Next, allocate money for variable expenses. These are costs that can vary each month, like food, gas, and entertainment. It's important to be realistic here. Don't underestimate how much you spend on these categories because it can throw your whole budget off. It's better to overestimate and have money left over. After fixed and variable expenses, what remains should go into savings. Even a small amount saved each month can add up over time. Whether it's for an emergency fund, retirement, or a specific goal, saving is a crucial part of budgeting. Treat your savings like a fixed expense. pay yourself first. Allocating your funds wisely is essential in budgeting. It's about making smart choices with your money. Prioritize your spending according to what's most important to you. Essentials like housing, food, and healthcare should always come first. After these necessities, consider what else is important in your life and budget accordingly. It's also smart to think about future needs. For example, if you know your car will need repairs soon, set aside money in your budget for that. This proactive approach prevents financial surprises and helps maintain your budget. Planning ahead for both expected and unexpected expenses will keep you on track. Consider using the 50-30-20 rule as a guideline. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. This rule can be adjusted based on your personal circumstances, but it provides a good framework for balancing your expenses. It ensures that you cover your essentials while still enjoying life and saving for the future. Your budget isn't set in stone. Life changes, and so should your budget. Regularly review and adjust your budget to reflect changes in your income, expenses, and financial goals. This might mean cutting back on non-essential expenses when times are tough or increasing your savings when you get a raise. Adjustments can also come from learning what works and what doesn't in your budgeting process. Maybe you found that you consistently overspend in one category and underspend in another. Use this information to refine your budget, making it more effective and easier to stick to. This process of adjustment is not about failure. It's about optimization. It's recognizing that budgeting is a dynamic process and needs to be flexible. Embrace these adjustments as part of your financial growth and learning. They are steps towards mastering your budget and, by extension, your financial life. One common mistake in budgeting is failing to track small expenses. These can add up quickly and throw off your whole budget. Another mistake is not having an emergency fund. Without this, any unexpected expense can lead to debt. Also, overly restrictive budgets can lead to frustration and abandonment of the budget altogether. It's important to avoid these pitfalls. Make sure to account for every dollar spent, no matter how insignificant it may seem. Also, build and maintain an emergency fund. This fund acts as a financial buffer that can keep you stable in case of unexpected expenses. Lastly, create a realistic budget that you can live with. It should be strict enough to help you reach your goals, but flexible enough to be sustainable. Remember, a budget is a tool to give you freedom, not to restrict you. If you find that your budget is making you miserable, it's time to reassess your priorities and adjust your spending. A budget should align with your lifestyle and goals, helping you achieve both without unnecessary stress. Sticking to your budget requires discipline and commitment. It's about making consistent choices that align with your financial goals. Every spending decision you make should be weighed against your budget. Ask yourself, is this purchase within my budget? Is it necessary? Can it wait? Being mindful in this way can help you stick to your budget and avoid impulse buys that can derail your financial plans. Set short-term goals that are easy to achieve. This can provide motivation and a sense of accomplishment. For example, aim to stick to your grocery budget for a month or save a small amount extra for your emergency fund. Celebrating these small victories can keep you motivated to maintain your budget long-term. Also, use tools and resources to help you stay on track. Many apps and websites offer budgeting tools that can help you monitor your spending and savings. These tools often provide visual representations of your finances, making it easier to see where you stand at any given time. Utilizing these resources can take some of the burdens off your shoulders and simplify the process of sticking to your budget. The ultimate reward of maintaining financial discipline through budgeting is financial freedom. This doesn't just mean having lots of money. It means having control over your finances and, by extension, more choices in your life. When you are not stressed about money, you can make decisions based on what you truly want, not just your financial necessities. Financial discipline also opens up opportunities for more substantial investments and financial growth. It allows you to plan for and achieve bigger goals, like buying a home or funding education. Over time, the benefits of budgeting compound, leading to a more secure financial future. Remember, the journey of budgeting is as important as the destination. It teaches you about value, priorities, and self-control. These lessons extend beyond money and can help you lead a more fulfilling and organized life. Stick to your budget, adjust as necessary, and reap the rewards of your diligence and discipline. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on mastering your money.